there, this is me from Rason Technologies. We're going to install Smart Kapp 84 inches. We have two of them here, but we're only installing one. So we're going to walk you through the installation process, how you begin and how you do the installation and the setup. So you're going to follow us step by step. We're not going to give you the full videos, but we'll take you step by step and show you the most important part of the installation that you need to know. Okay, let's show you what is included in this Smart Kapp 84 inches. Don't forget, Smart Kapp 84 inches. So it has different types of sockets. So you are not limited to one option. So you have two hangers. You have duster and the adapter. Also you have 6 pens here. That is an installation manual in case if you need to do it yourself. So we need fissures because the ones we have here is for drywall. This fissure is for drywall. So we got normal fissures for masonry, that is concrete wall or bricks wall. Firstly, what you need to do is to start from the roof. You know, you've got the measurement you want, you've got the height of the board from where you want it to start, but to get the proper level for the hanger, first of all you need to get accurate measurement from top to wherever you want to start. Now we've got 33 millimeters here, then we'll do same the other side. Before, that's where we're going to get the straight line and put our hanger before the board, okay? After you've taken your marks from the roof and to the point you want to start the hanging, you take a solid straight platform and you get a straight line from your left to your right, or your right to your left. When that is done, you can now bring your hanger. This is your hanger. So this particular hanger has 5 holes. So you can now place them on the line and mark the points you are going to make the holes. In most cases, some installers they work alone. So if you're working alone, as I'm working alone here, although my cameraman is assisting me from point to point, but in this case, you just need a tape to stick the hanger to your measured line so that it stays on straight line. And now you can start your drilling, or if you have a straight tiny pencil, you can mark it and remove it before doing your drilling. I think it's better that way. We're going to mark it first before doing our drilling. We've drilled it and put on the hanger, and you just tight it, make sure it's very tight and firm, you know, and that's it. Yeah, so the next step is just to bring the board and put it there, and that's it. There you go. As simple as that. If there is a projector, of course this roof will be higher and this board will be lower. You know what I'm saying? So that projector can stay somewhere here. You keep like 12 inches from the bottom of the hanger. Wherever it gives you 12 inches is where you start to mount this hanger. And you give this space so that the cables can pass and go to the projector hanger. Thank you. So the next phase now is to hang the board. Obviously, you are installing alone, you cannot carry it alone because this is heavy and it's wide. So you can't grab both sides at the same time. So you will need somebody to help you. You just have to, okay, you stay here, I stay here. So when we remove this part first, this way, this part, no, leave that part, put it back. But this is the part going to the hanger. Okay. Thank you once again. The installation is done, and as you can see, we started using the board. And whatever we do on the board, once you tap save here, saves to the side of the people I've invited to join me in this class. So it's just as simple as that. So whatever I'm doing on this board now, just see it on your phone. We Africans, you know, sometimes we Africans, we have marks. We have our tribal marks, so that's what I'm trying to. Okay. It's a lady. Yes. So all I'm doing, all I've done on this board is there on your phone. Excuse me. Is there on the people that have joined me, I've invited to join me, is there on their phone. So once you tap save, it saves on their own end, also saves on my own phone, so that the next time we meet, we can work on it, and we can export it as, it's automatically saved as JPEG or PDF or whichever file you want to export it as. An MPEG. So to get your board connected to your phone, obviously you need to plug in the adapter, connect it to the power, automatically it comes on. And when it comes on, you must have downloaded the app, Smart Kapp app, from your app store. And once you download it and you want to connect, it will open up your camera at once. And you tap it here, it's automatically paired. It will ask for your Bluetooth enablement, you will enable the Bluetooth, or it will enable it automatically, and you are connected. So it will generate, you can now generate link to invite up to 250 people to join you in this class. And they'll be able to save whatever you're doing here. They don't need to be there, with their phone. Whatever you're doing is saved on their side. So far they are connected, they can go back to it and have a look. So all you just need is to get a camera. You can, if you want them to see you, you get a camera, you connect a camera to your laptop and let the camera see you, or they see you, or they hear you, or however you choose to connect. Technology these days is just the beginning. You can actually do whatever you want to do. All you just need is knowledge. Please click on that subscribe button and click on the bell so that you get our notification anytime we upload video. We don't just make videos, we make videos to help people to get around how to do their installation or how to use their board or whatever that might be confusing them with a smart interactive board. They can go to our video and our channel and see any of the videos we have there. If you have questions, write us, make a comment, go to our website. You will find our contacts and hit us up anytime, anyhow you want. Thank you. I can see everything you have written on the board. I have it on my phone. Yes. Just as I've explained earlier.